everyone, it's Marky. Let's talk about this neck massager that I got. I have found this to be so helpful and so useful in so many different ways. It does have these 6 different roller heads and they all move. So when you're rolling it on your skin, they do move. And then they are also adjustable, so they can turn like this. So it is a neck massager, but you can also use it in so many different ways and get so many different areas of your neck, or if you want to use it maybe on your calves or your thighs. So I just adjusted those so that they are laying this way, and then it's super easy to just roll your thigh or your calf, front or back. So nice, so versatile. You can use it in so many different ways. These are made of a soft elastic material, so they're not gonna pinch your skin. They're gonna stay really soft and not pull on your skin or make it feel uncomfortable at all. This has been so great for me because I sit at a computer a lot. Have to work on my posture a lot. So if you are someone who sits at a desk or sits at a computer, you know that you really get sore muscles, sore neck, sore achy legs, sore back. This can be used in so many different ways to really help with that. And then also it's super portable. So if you want to take this to your office or have it in your desk, you can totally keep it there. It's not very big at all. It'll totally store easily. The handles themselves do have this like kind of dimension right here that folds out or swoops out. So when you're using it, you're not going to slip off. This really keeps your hand right where it's supposed to be. So it's really ergonomical. This has been great for me. My husband uses it also. He takes it to work when he wants it. I would highly recommend this if you have neck pain, leg pain. You could even use it on your feet. There's so many different ways to use it. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.